Hello, namaste, annyeonghaseyo, hola, привет. Today I will do the sketch of Lord Krishna. To draw the face, I will use Lumis method, but in my own way. Start by drawing a circle with two intersecting lines, and the vertical line should be approximately double the length of the original circle. The middle line will become brow line, and just below that draw eye line, and at the top draw the hairline. I just mark the place but did not draw the line that I will draw later. The bottom line will become nose line. Next, mark the location of the bottom of the chin. You can measure the distance from the brow line to the nose line and use this measurement to mark the bottom of the chin. Now draw straight lines in the inner circle on both sides, which will represent the edges of the face. Extend the lines to connect to the points of the chin. Instead of drawing the eyes, I drew all the rough places for the eyes, nose and lips. For ears, remember that the top of the ears align with the brow line, while the bottom of the ears align with the nose line. Also, the ears extend outward from the head near the eye line. And for hairline, I didn't draw it because on that place I drew the crown. Now just watch the whole drawing process. Hey everyone watching this video, I would love to get to know you better. Are you someone who enjoys creating art or more of an art enthusiast? If you are into art, what mediums do you like to work with? And which one's your absolute favorite? And for those who aren't artists, what type of art content would you like to see more on my channel? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. I've been wanting to share something with you all for a while now. Over the past few months, I've been feeling a bit down because even though I share my artworks with you, I have noticed there's been limited interactions. It's been a bit like wandering through a forest without a clear path. You see, if more of you could interact and share your thoughts on what you enjoy in the world of art, or discuss anything related to art, it would mean the world to me. I also want to express my heartfelt gratitude to those of you who have been with me and continue to support me on this journey. Your unwavering support gives me the motivation to keep creating, even if our audience isn't as large as I had hoped. I understand that the video quality and audio might not be top notch, but I am doing my best with what I have. I genuinely hope that you all will continue to support me. I love engaging in conversations, but without interaction, it's challenging to keep the conversation going. Let's make this a vibrant community together. Keep supporting this channel and thanks for watching this video.